Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Basically, today we are going to talk about the Formula World, that is basically 28th number part. In this, basically, we are going to talk about one user story. Basically, one user story means it's one story. From that, basically, lots of things gets cleared. Basically, so the user story is like this. One of the one of the project manager or project director asked basically Sunil Nair, Mr. Sunil Nair, you are always telling that software energy, software energy, and from software energy, uh, from set of software, the software energies came, and from set of software energy game, and software set of energies, software energies, the software game. So vice versa, basically. So basically, uh, so from where basically the software energy came, basically from where the software word came, basically this was the question basically asked by the one of the director, and then basically one of the Bollywood person, basically he was very old person. He told that the software energy basically was derived from the Bollywood energy. Then he was shocked, how is possible from Bollywood energy the software energy has created. So from Bollywood story, Bollywood user story, basically how Bollywood came into picture, that is also one story. So basically here basically we are talking about the software energy, how the software industry came into picture. Then one of the Bollywood person told that it came from Bollywood energy. Are you sure? So basically he told that yeah, we Bollywood group has created the software energy. Basically, how is this possible? So Bollywood's the person told that Bollywood, the another person told that Bollywood is just basically set of movies, set of serials, set of documentaries, set of videos. So this is Bollywood, and set of writers and set of producers. This is Bollywood, right? Then how basically the software came into this picture, basically. So this was very interesting. Basically, he told that how that is possible that one of the software big industry basically came from the Bollywood. How is possible? Because whenever you watch TV, whenever you are into the Bollywood industry, you are searching job for Bollywood. You are searching for the job for actor. You are searching for the job for serial. Basically, you are if you are doing dance, basically, then your parents says that why you are wasting your time. It's just a waste of time, and do something constructive where basically you will get the good money, good basically respect. In Bollywood industry there is no respect, the parents still tells like this, basically. Then basically the Bollywood industry told that we have created software industry. So he was shocked, basically how it's possible, how basically Bollywood group can create the software industry, software. So Microsoft is created by Bollywood or Hollywood group, or Bollywood and Hollywood. Oracle is created from Bollywood and Hollywood. The SAP is created, the Salesforce software company, this big old company, CRM project is created from Bollywood group. How is that possible, basically? How it's possible from Bollywood energy, the software energy and software industry actually created? How is that possible, basically? So this was basically one few questions basically which was asked, and a few more questions basically he asked basically how you can say that basically one of the CRM project is connected with Bollywood group. How you can say that ERP, how you can say that billing project, how you can say that banking industry basically is connected with Bollywood group. How it's possible, basically? That is not possible because Bollywood is just basically it's just movies, basic movie creation. Na? It's just a serial creation. Set of stories are there, set of user stories are there, and that basically generate the set of energy. Basically, you can say how basically from Bollywood, uh, from how from basically Bollywood energy, the software industry came into picture. It's not possible, basically. So the person basically who asked the question, he was also shocked by getting this type of answer, basically. Then the Bollywood person told that yeah, it's correct. Basically, we know how basically software industry came into picture, how software industry birth came, how in Mumbai thousands of software companies are working, how in Bangalore basically entire software industry, software park has established, how in Chennai basically, how in Hyderabad. big software companies are working, how in Vadodara city big software companies are working, how in Ahmedabad Gandhinagar big software companies are working, how it's possible basically on the base of just Bollywood group. So he was shocked basically. The question asked, he never thought that he will get this type of answer. He never actually thought that the Bollywood person is the Bollywood person is sitting in just near to him basically. So he just asked the question. The question basically just came into mind basically when he watched the Sunil R. Nair's video. That was basically this related to formula, how basically software company bans one person, how the formula word came into picture, how project word came into picture. Then basically he watched, and that time basically he basically given the answer to that person basically. Um he was watching Sunil R. Nair's video. That time basically he shocked basically how basically software industry birth came from Bollywood group. So Bollywood producer, Bollywood directors, Bollywood actors, Bollywood serial directors, serial actors, serial producer, they basically created software. And software basically it's a big industry basically because Microsoft, Bill Gates is top 10 basically rich person basically in the world. So basically, he was shocked basically how basically the Microsoft person, Microsoft Bill Gates, he's the one of the richest person in the world, top 10 richest person in the world, and you are telling that Bollywood group has created software industry. Then how big Bollywood industry is? That is from that basically he was very shocked basically. How big Bollywood industry, how rich Bollywood industry is, how big Hollywood industry is, and how basically people say that Bollywood is just it's not a good, it's basically very ganda, it's very bad basically. In this basically you will not get any respect basically. Then basically how basically the Bollywood person told that entire software industry was created on the base of Bollywood set of movies and set of user stories, and big all if this base company that is Microsoft, SAP, Salesforce, PHP, or Python and COBOL, C, C++ basically has created on the base of Bollywood movies and Bollywood user stories. Then basically the software company like Accenture, Capgemini, Patani, BMC, Genesis, and then Allscript company. Allscript is also the Allscript, and then basically BMC software basically, and then basically there are many software companies who basically are just under working this big software companies basically because they are doing project for this software companies only. So they are creating their energy on the base of this. So base is this only, the big software companies. So if big software based companies are basically telling that we basically got created and we got birth on the base of Bollywood stories, then how basically the chain was generated basically, how the things came into picture basically, how basically on the base of which user story basically the software industry came basically. That was basically the person who asked the question, and the answer he got, he was very shocked basically. How basically one software industry, the big giant software industry, the top 10, top 20 businessmen, big businessmen are from the software industry. They basically got birth from this Bollywood industry and Hollywood industry. So how that was possible basically? So this was the question, and the interesting answer basically is going. We are going to discuss in next part basically. So this is basically 28th part, and in next part basically we will be seeing little bit more about the formula word. So basically just see how the formula, from one formula word we connected to the birth of software industry, how the software industry birth happened. So from Formula Word only we connected to this. So we are going to see a little bit more about the Bollywood. Formula Word. Basically, Formula Word also came from Bollywood, birth from Bollywood only because the entire software industry, if got birth from the Bollywood word, Bollywood energy, Bollywood industry, then basically how the Formula Word also came from this industry only. So we are going to see a little bit more about this Formula Word in detail in next part, and the Bollywood also basically we are going to see the little bit more about this part basically which we have discussed just now. And basically from this is basically video of 28th part of the Formula Award, we are going to discuss little bit more about the Formula Award in detail after the next in after the next video. Basically, this is the 28th video. In 29th video, we are going to see little bit more about the Bollywood Award and the Formula Award, little bit more detail.